I'm going to do a live demonstration of the Team Funnel system and show you what we're giving away for free and what we're giving away with the AI upgrade that we're paying 100% commissions on. So I'm here logged into my account. So what you'll get for free, you'll get a system just like this, and you can see things like your analytics, your visitors. You can build everything inside this. You can even build your dashboard if you want to have members. So the upgrade for members is an additional upgrade, and the AI features are an additional upgrade. So if we go here to settings here, you'll see that you have the option to enter your Claude and your OpenAI settings. And then here you've got your AI chatbots. So for the 100% commissions, this gives you the access to Claude and OpenAI and AI chatbots. So you can generate pages, you can write your autoresponder sequences, and you can put AI chatbots on your site on any page that you want. And you have unlimited AI chatbots, as many as you want. You can train each chatbot to do different things. So again, we're paying 100% commissions on this. That's $100 one time for the AI upgrade to this system. So again, the system is free. So you get the entire dashboard and everything with all of these options. You can build everything. And then we have two upgrades. One upgrade is to add the AI to it to make everything easier and faster. The other upgrade is to onboard members and let them duplicate everything you build. So, for instance, if you wanted to have your own replicating marketing system, just like I have with teamfunnels.com, where we're doing this 100% commissions program. If you wanted to have your own 100% commissions program offering something else, you could do that with this system. So, that's the second upgrade. The first upgrade is $100 one time, and it's 100% commission. So if you share this with other people, you can get an easy $100 sale for the AI upgrade. Obviously, the AI is a no-brainer for the upgrade because it lets you build your pages with AI. It lets you generate your autoresponder sequences, and it gives you unlimited AI chatbots. Just does a lot of things, makes your life a lot easier. So you see here, we can add an AI chatbot, and then you just put your name, display name that your visitors are going to see on the page. You put your greeting message here, whatever you want to say it for the greeting. You choose your model for Claude or OpenAI. So whatever you want, whatever model you want to use, you can select that there. Then you can choose if you want it to translate or just do English. You can upload an avatar for your chat widget. You can set the color here to match your branding. You can set where it's positioned here, whether it's bottom right, left, or center. And then this is just if you get the membership upgrade, if you want to have your members pay for their own chatbots. So members can have their own chatbots and pay for usage if you get the member upgrade. And then rate limiting, this you can just limit if you don't want someone to go crazy on your chatbots, you can just limit it to a certain amount of messages. And then right here is for lead generation. You can enable that if you want the chatbot to actually capture leads and put that on your leads list for you and put them into your autoresponder campaigns, things like that. And then member registration. If you have the member upgrade, you can enable members to register right from your chatbot as well. And then you've got these customization options here. And then you've got response quality. So you can just do these different filters and this kind of some polishing filters. You can also play a sound notification when your chatbot responds. And you've got conversation starters here. So these are things that will pop up when they go to your chatbot. If you wanted to have certain things where they can click on and then it pops up certain information, you can do that. So once you've created a chatbot, I'm not going to actually create another one, but I'm going to show you how to train your chatbot. So we'll just go here to edit and we go down to the very bottom. And you see I've already added these things to train my chatbot with. So this was a scrape of a URL. This was a scrape of a URL. So two different pages on my site I've scraped. And then right here is just the information that I've entered manually. And so what you can do is just add training item here, and you choose the option you want. So you see this is just to add information manually, just like copy and paste. And then you got the option to scrape a URL. So if you choose that one, that lets you put in a website URL to scrape. PDF upload, Word document, text file, CSV, can watch a YouTube video and do the transcript from the video, or just like a question and answer combination there. Or you can actually open a rich text editor and just type in everything right here for you to train your chatbot. So there's all those different options, and it's not limited to just one of those options. You can do multiple options, as many as you want for each chatbot. And then you can build unlimited chatbots and train each of them. So you could have a different chatbot on every different page of your every different sales funnel page, every different website page. You could have a different chatbot on there that's trained for the content on that specific page. So again, this is $100 one time for the upgrade to this free system. So everything you're seeing here on this dashboard, you get for free. And the upgrade is $100 one time. The only thing that's not included with that upgrade is the member duplication, where you're able to invite members and provide your own replicating marketing system for members. So next thing I want to show you is the AI generation of your pages. So let's see here. Let's go to Claude AI settings here. You see this is where I've set my API key, and I can set the model that I want to use. 4.6 is recommended. It's the fastest. And if you wanted to pay a little bit more, you could do Opus, and that's going to be slower, but the most powerful one. And I recommend just setting it to the max. I have it set here to say 16,000 recommended, but if you want to get really nice pages, it's going to take a little longer. I recommend just doing the max output. Even at the max output, it's only gonna cost you like 50 cents per page, if that. So what I'm gonna do here is go up to templates and styling and page builder templates. And you see here some templates that I've already generated with the AI. I'll just open some of those and show you real quick. So this is one I just built, and took me about 10 minutes to build this one. The only thing I did was upload a image and have it scrape my site. So here's another one. This is one I was working on last night for another guy. He's doing 100% commission, some other program, 100% commissions. So I didn't have as much detail and didn't have, like that one had a video, so it's missing a video. But other than that, it turned out pretty good. Just the only thing I did for this one is he just gave me a mock-up of his business, of his site, how he wanted his site to look. So what he did is he went to ChatGPT and he just did a mock-up. In fact, I'll just show you that mock-up he gave me. So I'm going to go to downloads here, and let's just open this mock-up. So you see he gave me this mock-up here. Oops. And ChatGPT generated this mock-up. So I guess he just told ChatGPT the things that he wanted in his system, and ChatGPT just gave this mock-up to him, how it should look. And then all I did was I took this mock-up image and I put it into the system. Let's see if I can get back here. So I just went to generate with Claude. And what I did is I just put in, see, he wanted a VSL for this one. And then I just put something like income opportunity here. And I left this professional corporate. I didn't even check any of these options. I went to advanced, and I didn't even put in instructions. I just browsed to that mock-up. That's all I did. I didn't even scan a URL or anything. And then I clicked on generate template. And once I did that, this is what it generated. So I haven't even edited this or anything. This is just how it came out based on what he had in the mock-up. So you see it's taken all of his content, even his email address and his phone number and his share code for this program. It's taken all of that content and it built this page in just like 4 minutes is what it took. Usually for these, content that has a lot of content on it, it's going to take probably 4 to 5 minutes. So it's basically you just start it, you walk away, you come back, and it's done. You do need to make sure for your hosting though that you set it to where you have a maximum time limit before your hosting times out. So most of the time, the hosting I think is like 120 or 60 before it times out. So you've got to change that so that it's like 5 minutes. So you'd set that to like 300 to, to be totally safe. You could set it to something like 480 if your hosting allows that much. But 300 should be enough for most. So basically, you just set it to start, you forget it, walk away, come back, and you have a page that's already built for you. Looks like you paid a designer, 500 to $1,000 to build it for you. Piece of cake, really nice templates. So the next thing I'm going to show you is the email autoresponder generator. So we go here to email, and we go to autoresponders. And you see you've got this option to generate autoresponders with Claude. So I'm just going to click that button. I haven't actually generated any autoresponders in my own system yet. I may do that in the future as we start getting more people promoting this 100% commission program. But you see here, you've got the option to generate max number of 30 autoresponder sequences. And that's not total, that's just per time, because we don't want to overwhelm the AI and have it time out or anything. But you just set 30 here, and then you set however often you want those to send. So if you wanted to send every day, you just leave it set to every day, or you could do every 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, every week, every 2 weeks, every month. And then you do your email template, which you probably just want to leave set to autoresponders. And then this is where you choose whichever campaign you want to use. So you see I've got a campaign here for affiliates. You can do as many campaigns as you want, have as many different autoresponders for as many different autoresponder campaigns as you want. And then on your lead capture pages, you can choose which campaign you want which page to opt people into. And then you see here, if you want to include the lead owner phone and email. The reason why I have these options instead of just include your name or phone number is because this will replicate for members. So if you have this set to include the lead owner phone or the lead owner email, it's going to actually put a text snippet into each of these autoresponder sequence emails, and it will generate the name of the person that got the lead. So whether that's you or one of your members, it's going to generate the name of the person that got the lead, and the phone if you have that included there, and it's going to generate their email if you have that included. But you can also have it reply to the person that got the lead. So the member that got the lead, it can reply to that member. And so this autoresponder sequence is going to be generated not just for you, but for every member and everyone in your entire network that gets your system. It's going to write out this autoresponder sequence for everyone in your network. So this gives you the ability to build a replicating marketing system and then provide all of your members with automated follow-up to go to all of their leads for them. And they each get their own list of leads and everything. So basically here you just put in the prompt. You could write out a prompt in a notepad or something and then paste it in here. But then you can also add a URL to scan here. So if you have a competitor that's doing the same opportunity or business, you can put in your competitor's site there. Then you could do another one and another one and another one, as many as you want to do, as many as you want it to scan. You just put as many competitors, or these could be your own pages that you've already built and already have all your content on there. So it could just generate the autoresponder sequence based on the content you already have. So any URL, or you could even do like Facebook posts if you have, somebody that's made a Facebook post about a particular opportunity and you wanted to put in the link to that Facebook post. So it will scan any URL and then it will write your autoresponders based on all of the information it gets from all of these different URLs and the prompt that you give it. So again, you can write up to 30 at a time. And so instead of just manually going in there and trying to write all of your autoresponders, or maybe you could go to Chat GPT and say, write me an email about this. And, instead of doing it one at a time, this will generate your entire sequence for you. So it's all done for you. Then you can just go in and look at each email and see how you like each email. And then you can edit it based on, what content it gives you already that you like, don't like. Maybe there's some things that the AI gives you that you don't like, you can change. This is done with Claude AI. So if there's something you don't like in the emails, you can go in and change it. But again, this will, from the ones I've generated myself just to test this with, they looked really good and I didn't even need to change anything. So just really depends on how much information you give it, I guess, what you're going to get. So that's the other feature that comes with the 100% commissions, $100 one time for the AI upgrade, and it's 100% commission. So everyone that you refer to get this, you get $100. The rest of this system is free except for the members. So if you onboard members and replicate your sales funnels and your follow-up for your members, that's $97 a month, and I pay 50% commissions on that. So you see you've got your leads, pipeline, appointments, calendar. You can track the activity of your leads. So when they come back to your site, you can see the pages that they visited. So I'm just going to go here to lead activity, just show you that real quick. So you see some of these members, or some of these leads have visited pages this many times. And then I can click on their particular information here and I can see every page that they visited here. It's also going to show me the pipeline stages that they've been moved to. So if I go here to pipeline, and you see I can just move leads to different pipeline stages. You can also click on the eyeball to view the lead, or click on the little edit icon to edit the lead right here from my pipeline. I'm not going to show you my leads list because I don't want to expose my client's information or my leads information there. But you've also got appointment scheduler. If you schedule appointments, it's going to automatically generate live meetings for you. It goes through a service called Whereby. So if you go down here to settings and go to live meetings here, you see that you have the option whether you want to host all the live meetings for all your members, or if you want to have each member create their own account. So Whereby is really cheap. I think it gives you like 2,000 free minutes to start with every month. And so this system, what it will do is when you create an appointment, it's going to automatically generate a live meeting link that you can give to your leads, that they can, join the live meeting and talk to you, and you can screen share and everything from that, just like you could do with Zoom and the other services, but it's a lot cheaper. So some other things, if you wanted to export your leads to another service, it's got the API and webhook here. So you can connect this to Zapier, and then you can export these leads into any other service that you want. So if you wanted to use this to build your pages, because it's a better page builder and easier to use than Go High Level or anything else, you could actually just use Zapier or Make or Pabbly or anything else to send your leads right into Go High Level or whatever other platform that you want to use. So you could have this be, your funnel builder, and just be the thing that makes it easy for you to build your pages with. And then you could send your leads right into Go High Level with this webhook and API key. So the page builder itself. So let's go into the front end builder here, and we'll go to front end pages, and I'll just open the editor to show you a page that I just generated. Again, I generated this page in about 10 minutes, including the generation and all the editing that I did on this page. This here was just an image I generated with ChatGPT, and then I just double clicked here to put in the image you see there. Um, so it's just a matter of once you generate your page with AI, anything you like on there, you just leave it. Anything you don't like, you can just double click here and just edit the content, anything you want to edit there. The forms are automatically configured for you when you generate the pages with AI, so you don't have to do any configuration. So if you want the email and phone on there, you just leave it on there. If you don't, you would just, click on what you don't want, just delete it out of there. So that way you would just have just the email. And we'll start with just the phone too, but I've already deleted the phone out of there for this one. So again, that's automatically configured to send leads right to your leads list and whatever campaign you have set for that page. So each page has its own settings. So you can set, I'll show you the page settings in a minute here. But then you just go in and you edit the content on there exactly how you want it. And then you can see the tablet view. You can edit it in the tablet view to make it different. And then you can edit in the mobile view to make that different as well. So again, this system is free and it's $100 one time for the AI upgrade. And I pay 100% commissions on this. So everyone that you refer to get this free system, when they upgrade, and it's a no-brainer, they're going to want to upgrade because then they can build pages like this in like 5 minutes. So, it's a no-brainer upgrade, really easy sell. And what I've done is I've put so much value into this system that it would pretty much just be stupid to not, get it for free. And it would pretty much also be stupid to not get the $100 AI upgrade because then it turns it into a powerful system that builds pages like this for you in minutes, literally. Um, that you can just go in and edit any content you don't think is already perfect. And in this case, this page was almost perfect when I just generated it. And all I did to generate it was I just uploaded an image that I had already built with ChatGPT. That I asked ChatGPT to generate for me, and then I scraped another page on my site that was already done. I only had to change like 2 or 3 things in here that I didn't think were already perfect, just the wording of some text I wanted to change a little bit, and then it changed that for me and made it, you know, I just changed it with the editor here. But some of the features in the editor itself that I want to show you real quick. So when you click on text right here, you can click on a little icon here and you can request for OpenAI to write any content. So if you wanted to write additional text anywhere, you can just tell OpenAI what you want to describe. It'll write your content right there, right inside the editor. I don't use that much myself because I like to just generate the pages with AI and then just edit it, because that's already pretty much done. But that's another option you do have. Another option here is just toggle this back. So we have the side menu here. Type an AI change request. So first of all, I'm going to back this up so I don't lose anything that's already here. So you see every page has a backup and restore option. So as you're building your pages, you should definitely always back up and restore your pages. Constantly back up, and then if anything happens, like if you make a mistake or something, you can just click this little database icon. It will restore it to your last backup. But anyway, so I wanted to show you how we can use this OpenAI change request. So for instance, if I wanted to change this color, so I could just say change color to blue. Just give that a few seconds. You see it's changed the color to the blue. So obviously that's just the basic example. I'm going to see if I can undo that. So there's undo and redo there. But you could do a lot more complicated things too. So like if something is not centered correctly on the page and you're having a hard time getting it aligned the way you want. So sometimes, for instance, like if you were to delete one of these boxes, okay, and so now you have these two images and they're not centered in this area. Sometimes you want them to be centered in this area. So what you could do is you could tell the AI there to center these in the area. So something that you probably would not be able to figure out how to do yourself, you can just tell OpenAI to help you to do that. But, you probably never even really need to use this because the pages are so good just being generated by AI itself. So it's going to take a minute to generate a page, but I'll just go ahead and so you don't think I'm making this up, I'll just go ahead and do a generation. Like I said, it's going to take about 5 minutes. So hopefully I can talk about something else while we're waiting for the generation to finish. So what I'm going to do is go here to Page Builder Templates, and I'm going to click on Generate with Claude. First thing I want to do, let's go, I'm just going to go into my OpenAI and just make sure I have enough credit. You're not going to see me there, but I'm going to go to Anthropic or console.anthropic.com, and I'm going to look at my billing. So yeah, I've still got, looks like I've got close to $10 in AI. Again, these generations only take like a minute. I'm sorry, like if you're building a complicated page, it's going to take up to 5 minutes. But if you're building something simple, like just a basic, real easy lead capture page that just has a capture form and maybe a video or something, it's going to take like a minute to generate this. But it just really depends on the content that you put in here. But what I was going to say is that each page that you generate really only costs like 50 cents or less, 25 to 50 cents for a page, for a really nice page like this. That saves you tons of time. So you're building pages that would, if you were going to pay a designer to build this for you, it would cost probably, really, probably like $1,000 or more for a page like this to be built. And Cloud AI can build it for you in just a few minutes. So what I'm going to do here is we'll just go to VSL, and I'm going to put in an AI website and funnel builder that pays 100% commissions. And I'm just going to, if I wanted to specifically choose any of these sections to be on the page, I could do that. But I just want to show you how easy this really is. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and I'm going to browse to one of these images that I've already generated. Let's see if I can blow these up to see them better here. So let's make one that talks about save hours every single day. So I haven't made one like this yet. So I'm going to click on save hours every single day, and I'm going to let it read that image. And I'm not going to do anything else. I'm not even going to put a prompt or anything in here. And I'm just going to click on generate template. So again, what we're doing is we're generating a video sales letter, and it's for an AI website and funnel builder that pays 100% commissions. And all I've done is uploaded an image that I got from ChatGPT. Basically, I explained my business to ChatGPT and how this can save people time by doing things for them, like what we're doing now, building out the pages. And I didn't even add a URL to scan. I could have put in a URL to scan a page that's already built on my website. But what I want to do here is just see what it does with the content that I've generated just from this image. And again, it's going to build a really nice page. So I've got it set really high token usage, and I'm just going to wait for it to take probably about 4 to 5 minutes to really build out a really nice page for this. Now, I don't know in this case if it's going to add sections or anything like that, because I didn't check for it to add any sections. I don't think it may just build a page without any sections, but we'll see what it does. Let's see if I can maybe open up another tab to show you some other things. And again, we'll come back to this. And again, what we're building is a page with the emphasis on this ChatGPT image that says save hours every single day, something to do with that is what it should be generated on the page itself. So here's the editor again for the one I built yesterday, or I think it was actually early this morning. I built this one in about 10 minutes. So let's go back to the admin panel for now, see if I can show you some other things while we're waiting for this other page to generate. So here is the analytics. So you see, you can track all of the visitors you got in the last hour, 24 hours, this week, this month, this year, all time. This is free. So you get all this for free. You get most of everything on this menu. So you can also clone web pages. You can install templates that you got from other pages. So if you've already generated your pages with AI, you can install them here with the page builder template. So you just click on install a new template. So if you want to just use this system for free, you can actually um, generate your pages with Claude or whatever, and then import them there. And you see it's going to give you like a preview of the pages that you've imported down here. So you can import any template files, anything that you've already generated from uh, any AI service. You can import those files right into here. So you don't even need to use the automatic Claude AI generation if you don't want to. You can have this system for free if you don't want to use the AI features. But I think personally, I'd rather just use this generator myself, pay $100, have somebody make 100% commissions. But you see now this has generated this page. So it took, a couple minutes, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. This video doesn't look good yet because I have not set a video. So what I'm going to do is just click once there, and I'm going to choose YouTube. I won't set a video there yet. I'm just going to refresh this page and it will just automatically load a video into there. You see it's put that Rick Astley video in there. So you see it's already set my logo, automatically sets the logo that you have set in your system. So if you go here to settings and system branding, so whatever logo you set here, it's going to automatically put that on your page. So you can build out your system to have whatever color styles you want. It's also got a light mode and a dark mode here, so you can customize this, all your color scheme and everything for your light mode and your dark mode. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that it's going to automatically put whatever logo you have set there onto your pages for you. So this is the page that is generated just by putting that image that I got from ChatGPT. So you see, it says, let AI do the work, save hours every single day. Watch this short video to discover how TeamFunnels AI builds your pages, writes your autoresponder sequences in minutes, and pays you 100% commission. And again, the only thing I did was take the image I generated from ChatGPT and uploaded that image to this. And this is the kind of page that it built for me. See, it's got a countdown timer here, get an instant access to TeamFunnels AI today. And again, if you don't like anything, all you have to do is just click what you don't like and delete it, and it's gone. So keep what you like, delete what you don't like, or just double click on the text and edit whatever you want to change. Piece of cake. You go to the tablet view. Let's see how this thing turned out in the tablet view. Pretty nice. For me personally, I like to sometimes click on my text and change the font size to make it fit on the line better. But you don't even have to do that if you don't mind the way it looks just right out of the gate. So just a matter of going in and just editing anything. You've got your full dimensions here. So all your dimensions are listed there. You can change everything however you want. You can change the font size here. You can make sure things are either centered or aligned to the left there. So this is a, fully customizable editor, but the pages are generated in a way that you really don't have to do much editing other than just, double clicking and changing the text you want, clicking on the videos, to set a different video. Um, Countdown timers. I think you can I may have to do a change to get this countdown timer to work like it should with Grapes. This is the editor I'm using is an open source Grapes.js, but I've done a lot of alterations to it to add all of these additional features to it. So like you can load your pages right from it, and you can back up and restore your pages, and it's got these different modes here. Like this will get rid of your preloader. This changes the mode so you can drag things instead of into different sections, so you can drag things just little by little. It's actually got this is kind of a cool feature that I added that you won't see anywhere else. It's a no style mode. So um, not really much of a reason to use this with these particular templates, but if you like import a template that has multiple layers on top of something else, what you can do is you can click this and change it into no style mode, and it gets rid of the style. So you can just go in and change things like section by section right here in the style for things that you normally couldn't get to. It's kind of a weird feature, but it's useful for me. I kind of like it myself for certain pages that I've built. Um, just click that to change it back. But then you also have the option to add content blocks. So if you click on this plus icon, that adds a content block over here into your blocks. And then you can drag that onto any other page. If you uh, click this minus, that's just where you can get rid of them. And then this is where you can put in your meta tags and all of your SEO stuff right there, right from the editor. And then right here, you can insert content on the body of the end of the body tag. So JavaScripts, things like that. And then this plus and minus, this is for universal sections. So if you wanted to have like a navigation that you put on all of your different pages, you can just click that plus. You would want to just delete everything that's here already and leave just the navigation. And then you would click that plus right here, and that will create a universal section that you can drag on. It's going to, again, insert it as a block into your universal sections like this, and then you can drag that onto any other page you build. And you'll have a universal section that you can just edit from the, let me show you where that would be. So you would just go here to universal content and universal sections, and then you can just edit that in a editor just like this editor, where you're just editing the links and everything in that universal section that you can drag onto any page. So that just makes it easy. If you want to have one navigation menu or one footer on thousands of pages that you build, then you could just, do that one time for a universal section, and then just change the links on that universal section for every single different page that you have in your entire system. And again, this is all 100% free. The only thing that we charge for is the AI add-ons, so that you can build really nice, high quality pages like this in just a couple minutes without having to try to figure out how to do it all yourself or import a template or anything like that, and to write your autoresponder sequences for you. $100 one time for the AI upgrade of this free system, and then we pay 100% commissions on it. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to make this such an easy sell that it's easy for anyone to make money with this. I kind of struggle myself. I'm kind of an introverted person. In fact, I kind of have a disorder to do with like social anxiety. And so it's really hard for me to reach out to people and make sales. And so because of that problem that I have, I felt like I had to make this loaded with so much value that it would basically be stupid to turn me down. So that's what I'm now offering you, to be able to offer to other people and get paid $100 when people upgrade this. So, and I really think if you get someone to look at this, they're going to be blown away by it and say, "Wow, okay, yeah, I'll gladly pay $100 one time for that upgrade. Um, how do I pay you?" So that's why I decided to turn this into a 100% commissions program because I want to help other people get paid, and I actually just want to see my systems out in the marketplace, and what I've spent thousands of hours building. I want to see other people actually using it, so I can just feel like I've made a difference in the world or something. So that's why I wanted to turn this into a 100% commissions program. And you see here in the mobile view, it's right out of the gate. I haven't done any mobile optimization or anything yet, and this is what it's come up with. This is just from the AI generation. So I've spent probably this prompt to generate pages like this. I've probably spent so far about 500 hours on it. I may do some more tweaks on the prompt. It's just basically a PHP page that I've built that tells Claude what to do to generate pages that look this nice. There may be some more tweaks I do to it. Maybe not. I don't know. I guess it depends on the user feedback and things that people tell me about building their pages if they would like it to be different in any way. But it does tell it, give you options to choose multiple different kinds of pages and then choose multiple different kinds of sections. And it does all the mobile optimization for you automatically. So it's pretty much done right when you generate the page. So this also saves you a lot of time. If you're importing any other kind of template or even like cloning a ClickFunnels page or whatever, you're still going to have to go in here and, go into this mobile view and manually change things in the mobile view. But with the way I've got the AI prompt built, it goes in and automatically does the mobile optimization the same way I would do it if I was going to do it for you. So I've spent a lot of time to make this prompt really good, to make you really nice pages that are perfectly optimized for mobile. And again, this AI upgrade is $100 one time, and the system is 100% free if you don't want the AI upgrade. So if you want just like this builder and you want to clone your pages from ClickFunnels or whatever, um, that's free. All that's free. This entire system is free. So you can build everything in this entire system, as many pages as you want. You can build your own custom lead capture forms where you ask for whatever information that you want in those capture forms. You get your own. Oh, actually, I didn't want to click on members. Let me just click out of there. Click the wrong thing. So you get your own analytics. If you want to build a dashboard like this, for your members to access. You see here, this is the additional upgrades beyond the $100 one time. This is the team builder upgrade that basically turns your own individual system into a replicating marketing system. And this also includes the AI upgrade if you don't want to pay the $100 one time. But I would definitely recommend if someone refers you to this, just pay them the $100 one time, get them paid, and you're going to get $100, every time you refer people to. But I also do pay 50% commissions monthly on this team builder upgrade. And the agency builder upgrade is basically just giving you unlimited white label versions of this system uh, that have no powered by team funnels. So if you go uh, to the bottom here, you see it says powered by team funnels down here. So if you were to get this agency upgrade, that removes the powered by team funnels for all of the domains that you install. You get your own custom panel to where you can go into your custom panel and put whatever domains you want to be activated, and that will automatically activate them and debrand them for you. Unlimited domains for 197 a month. So this could be something you offer to other people to build their pages for them with AI, and write their autoresponder sequences for them with AI. 197 a month gives you unlimited access. So, so you can build out your custom dashboard, and before you even refer members, before you even get that upgrade, you can build out your custom dashboard. Go here and you see what your members will actually see. So this is, they get their own leads list, their own pipeline, their appointments, calendar. They see their lead activity. They get their own commissions where they can activate members that have paid them 100% commissions. They can uh, set their payment settings to receive the 100% commissions. They can set their payout methods to receive commissions from you. They can set their own SMS and AI voice configuration. They've got their own API and webhook, their own live meetings. Um, all of this can be given to everyone in your entire network. And you also got the option to do support tickets. So they would just click here to create a ticket. Your member just clicks there for new ticket. They fill out their support ticket, and you as the admin gets the support ticket. Then when you reply, they get the response in their dashboard and also sent to their email as well. So that's one of the upgrade features you get with the team builder. That's why it's called Team Funnels, by the way, because it's a system, an entire system, and sales funnels that replicate for entire teams. So you can turn your own lead generation system, your own sales funnel builder into a replicating marketing system for unlimited members. That's why I call it Team Funnels. So for the sales funnel pages here, you click here, you're going to see this is what your members would see. And this is, also where you can check the conversion of your pages. So these are all the pages that I built for the members of Team Funnels that are promoting this 100% commissions offer. And you see it shows the unique views and the conversion rate here for every page that you add to your funnel pages. So basically what you do is you just build the front end pages, and then whatever page you want to be a funnel page, you just choose that page, and it will do this and show the URL for your members to see, and it will show them, the views and the leads and conversion rate there. Again, for that upgrade though, that's going to require the $97 a month member upgrade. I do also pay members 50% commissions monthly on that, in addition to the AI upgrade that pays you 100% commissions. So again, this is custom dashboard pages. You can also build as many custom members access pages as you want to build as well too. And again, you don't have to pay for the upgrade until you're ready to actually onboard members. So you can build your entire system out for free before you even pay for anything if you want. But I definitely would recommend that you get the AI upgrade so you can easily build all your pages in just a couple minutes with the AI upgrade. So I think I've pretty much shown you. I'll just show you some of the features you do get if you upgrade with the $50 a month. So we go here to memberships, and you see I've got this AI builder membership here, and this one says no admin fee for member activation. And this one is not given an activation link or anything because this is a 100% commissions membership. So what I'm going to do is just open this, and you see I've got enable 100% commissions set here, and I've got it connect membership to pass up plan, and that's my Team Funnels pass up plan. If you don't have one yet, you just click this plus to create a pass up plan. And then this is the 100% commission amount. You see I've got it set here to $100. And then this is where you set the page that you want it to redirect to for them to pay. And if you haven't built that yet, you can click the plus, and then you can open the page builder here to do that. And then this is just a payment button that's going to get set on the page for all of your members to see. And then this is the insert snippets. So when you use this payment button insert snippet, it's going to insert this button, and then it's going to link to whatever payment link your members have set in their commission settings. They just go here to commissions and go to payment settings, and then whatever link they have set for that button, it's going to link this button to that. So it's also going to insert the name and phone and email of the member on their payment page. So basically, this is just going to, figure out who they're supposed to pay for the 100% commissions, and then it's going to generate their information here on the page, and then it's going to link to their button. So you see, I've got this set to membership details, AI builder, lifetime term. The other options are 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. And then you see here where it says admin fee set to 0 for no admin fee. So I'm not even charging you an admin fee for this, guys. Like a lot of people, like that Mac Mills guy, he's charge you like something like a pretty big admin fee to even be able to, you know, be able to give this away. I charge no admin fee. All I want to do is get my systems out to the world. I think I've got a lot of value to offer in this system that I'm giving away for free. And then when they upgrade with the AI, you get paid $100. It's a no-brainer upgrade, makes your life much easier. So not even charging an admin fee, 0. But the reason why I'm showing you this page is because if you get the $97 upgrade, $97 a month upgrade, then you can also do this too. You can build your own 100% commission platform, just like what Mac Mills does basically, and give this system out to other people and get paid, an admin fee or whatever you want to do when people get your system, and you can let people earn 100% commissions on it. So you can do as many memberships as you want, as many membership levels as you want. So you just create a different membership for each level that you want to do, and then set whatever admin fee you want to charge for each level. And then your members can all set their own payment settings. They can see the commissions that they've earned. They can set the payout methods that they want there. And then this part is just styling the button that actually gets put on the page. So I'll just show you the payment page that we built real quick here. So I'm just going to open the page builder here. This is where you can actually edit the payment page. So you see right here, I've put these snippets here to insert the information. And again, I just generated this page really quick with AI. And you see it's got the option to pay the $100 payment. And this just says, no thanks. I don't want the AI features. Just give me the free system, because I'm giving the system away for free. You only pay if you want to upgrade and use AI. So if you want to make your life, a piece of cake, then you pay the $100 to use AI. If you want things to be a little more complicated, but still have an amazing system with a lot of value in it, then you just use the free system. You don't have to pay for anything. So again, 100% commissions. So direct 100% commissions on AI upgrades. When you refer somebody to get this free system, and if they decide they want their life to be a piece of cake, they're going to pay you $100 for this upgrade. So, you can show them some of the pages. You can build pages yourself and then show them some of the pages that you've generated with this thing. And they're going to see the awesome pages that this thing can build. And they're going to think that that's a no-brainer $100 upgrade. And that goes right into your pocket, guys. $100 right in your pocket, no admin fee or nothing. And the reason why I'm showing you this edit inside the editor is just because you can do this too. If you do get the $97 a month upgrade, you can launch your own 100% commission program just like this. And I'm just showing you how I built it inside my own system. So if you're somebody that's motivated and you want to take things to the next level, once you've built some really nice funnels for yourself, if you want to share those with your team and then charge them for access, you can turn on your own 100% commissions program and do that. So I'll just go back here to memberships and I'll show you what else you can do. Just go to add membership here. If I was to add like just put test here. Oops, I minimized that. So if I wanted to do like a monthly membership thing and let's say we wanted to do $200 a month. Now what you can do here is you can pay commissions on each membership up to 5 levels. So direct refer up to the 5th person upline, you can set a dollar amount to pay a commission on. and it's going to automatically calculate all those and keep track of everyone that you owe commissions to. It's going to show them the commissions they're owed. It's going to show you the commissions that you need to pay, and it'll show you the ones that are paid, the ones that are unpaid. So if you want to do just regular commissions, a regular commission program, then you can set multi-level commissions as well. So you've got the option for either 100% commissions if you enable that, or just multi-tier commissions, or you could do a combination of both. And if you do a combination of both, it basically just turns your regular membership into an admin fee. So this is what you would charge for the admin fee. And then if you wanted to pay commissions on the admin fee, you would just set whatever commission amount you want to pay there. So the $97 a month upgrade does give you the option to build your own custom program, 100% commissions, or multi-level affiliate program. Or you could just use this for, a network marketing program that you want to just provide replicating sales funnels to your team. So again, to break this down, let me just see if we can go back here. I don't think I have a breakdown on this, but this is just the first upgrade is to unlock the AI automation, and that's 100% commissions. So it's $100 one time, and that just makes your life a breeze. It takes this amazing system with all these features that it already has for free, and then makes it a piece of cake to build everything with it. $100 one time, and then you get paid 100% commissions on the upgrade when you're for other people. So that's the first level of the commissions. I've got too many editors open here now, but let me go back to, I'll just go here to the dashboard and show you the breakdown. So the next level is the team builder. So provide a replicating marketing system to your entire network, or this could be your own 100% commissions or multi-tier affiliate program. So it's unlimited members, lead generation system for every member, sales pipeline for every member, sales funnel and autoresponder duplication for every member, up to 6 levels of commissions, 100% commissions and pass ups, unlimited affiliate programs, and just one domain license, $97 a month. And I pay 50% commissions on this upgrade. And then we've got the agency builder. And this is mainly, what I've noticed is there's a lot of people that struggle with Go High Level. They just think it's way too complicated. And if you get into their Go High Level, basically support forum, you have like every day there's like 100 people posting, I need to hire someone to build my funnels for me, and do my automations with Go High Level. Um, so I need to hire somebody that's certified and go. Okay, so like what I'm thinking with this is just, this is for people that don't want all those complications, right? It's just a piece of cake thing you can use to build yourself. You don't have to hire a certified person to do it. So this is for agencies that want to be able to give away an easier system for people to use. That doesn't mean you don't have to still be a Go High Level agency owner. You could do both. Like if you have some clients that they're just not quite as technical as they need to be to do Go High Level, you could offer them these instead, and they can build their pages with AI and do all the easy stuff with this system. So if you wanted to be an agency, uh, if you're an agency owner that wanted to have this agency license, 197 a month, unlimited domain licenses, no powered by Team Funnels, full white label solution, and I give you priority support. And again, I pay 50% commissions on this upgrade as well. Good thing about this for members, affiliates that are doing the 100% commissions, you'll get $100 one time on the AI upgrade. If you click this to yearly, you see this, they get a discount on yearly, so they save 30%, but just multiply 138 times 12. So let me just get my calculator out here. I'm not a good person with math in my head. So let's just do 138 times 12 equals $1,656 is what they would pay for that year to save 30% on the agency version of this. And then let's just divide that by 2. So if let's say you're a member that's given away this free system and that people upgrade, and it's a no-brainer to upgrade because when they upgrade, their life becomes much easier to build their pages and their autoresponder sequences and everything else. Okay, so they've already paid you $100, but let's say they want to get the agency version so they have unlimited licenses of this for all of their clients. Now you're going to get paid another $828 on top of that because they got the agency license. And all you did was give away a free system. That's a no-brainer to upgrade and pay $100 directly to you. So that's how you can make a lot of money with this system. So I just wanted to do a demonstration, a live video demonstration of this today. So you've got some promotional materials in here for you. And I just wanted to kind of explain what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to make it easy for a lot of people to make a lot of money and providing with, everyone that does with an amazing system that builds you amazing pages really easy. Something that's a lot easier to use than Go High Level, but still has a lot of powerful automations, follow up, and generation built into it for basically nothing. I'm basically just giving this away for free, and then $100 for the AI upgrade. I'll get paid a little bit when people get the team builder, and that's why it's called Team Funnels. That's always been my intention. The purpose of building this, I wanted to build a system that helped average everyday people be able to compete with people like Mac Mills that build these systems and become mega millionaires because they provide people with these kind of systems. I wanted to, you know, be able to help you to do the same kind of things that he does to, get leverage to have other people making money for you. So that's the point of Team Funnels. But what I want to do with this 100% commissions program is just help as many people as I can to have an amazing system and be able to make as much money as they can by just giving away these free systems. Then they pay you $100 for the no-brainer AI upgrade. So hopefully this live video today, it kind of explains what I'm trying to do here, and I'll go ahead and end this presentation now. If I can get back to where the thing is to shut it off. Oh, I just need to click stop sharing.